Hey, I'm Vayan, and I have been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. And I built a dozen businesses across multiple continents. This is why my videos are in English, French, and Spanish. If you're a small business owner, you know the reality. You're the manager, the accountant, the marketing team, the paralegal, and the strategist, all rolled into one. Money is tight, time is tighter. And having a personal life, that feels like a luxury you can't afford. I've been there, but over the past year, I've been implementing AI tools across my businesses, and it has completely changed the game. I'm cutting costs, my team is more productive, and for the first time in years, I actually have time to think about strategy and creative ideas instead of drowning in day-to-day tasks. So I started this video series to show you, not theory, not hype, but exactly what I did, step by step, with real tools and real results for my own businesses. Because if I can do it, you can too.
A few years ago, I paid a web agency $30,000 for a website. It took 3 months, 3 rounds of revisions, 16 calls. And when it was done, I still had to explain 4 times what I actually did for a living before they got it right. Last month, I built 2 websites. One for a fractional ownership property I'm launching in Costa Rica. One to completely redesign my consulting company's public presence from scratch. New design system, new structure, 3 languages. Total cost, essentially 0. Total time, a few sessions. The difference isn't that websites got cheaper. The difference is that AI has fundamentally changed who can build one and how fast. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly what changed and show you 2 real websites I built as proof. Part 1. The old way. Let me be honest about what websites used to cost for entrepreneurs like me. If you went to a freelancer, someone decent, not a famous agency, you were looking at $3,000 to $8,000 for a basic business site. Something clean, maybe 5 pages, mobile friendly. If you needed something more sophisticated, an e-commerce layer or booking system, you were in the 15 to 40,000 range. I've spent on both ends of that range over my career, more than once. And that was before the maintenance cost. Every time you wanted to change a line of copy or adjust a price, another invoice. Usually a few $100s for something that should have taken 15 minutes. Because you didn't own the code in any practical sense. You owned a website you couldn't touch. The money problem was real, but the communication problem was worse. Here's the cycle, and I've been through it more times than I can count. You brief the agency, they interpret it, they build it. You realize they interpreted it completely differently from how you imagined it. You explain what you actually meant, they revise it. You look at the revision and realize there's a new problem. Round 3 begins. This is not a criticism of agencies. The problem is structural. You're asking someone to translate your vision into a design, into code. 3 handoffs, each one introducing error. In that week, you've forgotten half of what you wanted to adjust. They slip through. The site launches half finished and everyone pretends it's done. The final piece of the old model that I grew to despise, the dependency it created. Once a site was live, you were attached to whoever built it. The code had their patterns and assumptions. If they used a framework you didn't understand, the site was a black box to you. I had websites I couldn't update, not because the CMS was hard, but because the build process assumed knowledge I hadn't been given. The website, which was supposed to be a business asset, had become a liability. Expensive to change, slow to evolve, owned in name only. That's the world I was operating in, until it changed. Now let me show you the new model, not in the abstract, but with 2 real websites I've built recently. One for my consulting brand, one for a property I'm launching. Both built almost entirely with AI. The first site is Ushaia.com, my consulting company. Ushaia had a website. It was functional, but it didn't feel like a brand. It felt like a theme. I wanted to redesign it completely to something that felt premium, clean, and serious. My reference was apple.com. The white space, typography, and that frosted glass navigation. What came back was a full redesign. The CSS design system, SF Pro font stack, and scroll animations where sections fade in as you read them. A mobile menu that actually works. Then I needed it in 3 languages, English, Spanish, and French. I asked for them to be built in parallel, and they were generated simultaneously with properly structured content. The whole site is hosted on GitHub Pages, free, custom domain, HTTPS. The certificate was fixed via a direct API call, automated and done. 1 session, 3 languages, 0 hosting bill. The second site is one I'm more proud of because it's more complex. I'm selling fractional ownership in one of my properties in Costa Rica, a place called El Nido. I needed a full marketing site to walk buyers through the concept, the property, the financial model, and the legal framework. An agency would have charged $20,000 for this. From a single AI session, I got 12 full sections, including a seasonal calendar, color-coded across 5 seasons with a point-based booking system. That alone would take a developer a full day. Investment tier cards with volume discounts. A clean CSS FAQ accordion. Even a blockchain governance section for shareholder voting. All in 1,800 lines of clean code. Later, I added a complete internationalization layer in 1 session. A flag switcher and a JavaScript dictionary for all 3 languages. 0 page reloads, 0 new dependencies. I showed that website to a buyer recently. Their first question was, "Who designed this?" I told them AI did. They didn't believe me. 2 websites, 2 very different use cases, both built at a fraction of what the old model would have cost. Here's how I actually do it. 2 websites, 2 very different use cases, both built at a fraction of what the old model would have cost. Here's how I actually do it. The tool I use is Claude Code, Anthropic's AI, running in a CLI that has direct access to my files. I describe what I want, it writes the code, I review it live in a browser, I give feedback, it iterates. That's not fundamentally different from working with a developer. What's different is 3 things: speed, cost, and the fact that I'm the only human in the loop. Every change happens in under a minute. The mindset shift was learning to be specific, not make it look professional, but SF Pro font, white background, navigation with backdrop blur. Specificity is the brief. My process has 4 steps. 1. Define what the site needs to do. 2. Describe the aesthetic. 3. Generate and review. 4. Host it on GitHub Pages for free. Forever. The total time for Ushaia.com was a single working session. The El Nido site, which was more complex, took 2 sessions over 2 days. That includes everything. This unlocks everything. I can give every business a professional, custom website as fast as I can define what I want. The ongoing cost is 0. If I need a change, I do it myself. The agency model isn't dead. Great designers bring original identity and strategy, but for well-structured business websites, the case for spending 5 figures is genuinely gone. If you're an entrepreneur with no website or one that doesn't represent you well, the barrier is gone. The question is just whether you can describe what you want. Here's my offer, a free 30-minute call. We'll talk about your business and how I'd approach building it with AI based on what I've actually done. The link is in the description. The $30,000 website is a ghost. The question is just how fast you're ready to move on from it. If you're a small business owner thinking about AI, I hope this shows you it's not as daunting as it seems. But I also hope it shows you it's not magic. It's work, it's iteration, and it's worth it. Start with one problem, solve it, then solve the next. That's a real tool running in my real business, saving me real time and money every single day. If this gave you even one idea you can use, hit that like button. It helps other small business owners find these videos. And if you want to see the next tool I'm going to break down, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Now go build something great.